go again. I kinda wanna be more than friends, so take it easy on me. I'm afraid you're never satisfied. Here we go again. We're sick like animals, we play pretend. You're just a cannibal, and I'm afraid I won't get out alive. And now I won't sleep tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Here we go again. I feel the chemicals kicking in. I wanna run and hide. I wanna run and hide. Do it every time. You're killing me now. And I will be denied by you, the animal inside of you. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Take a bite of my heart tonight. Hush, hush, the world is quiet. Hush, hush, we both can't fight it. It's us who made this mess. Why can't you understand? No, I won't sleep tonight. I won't sleep tonight. Here we go again. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight. Oh, I want some more. Oh, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Say goodbye to my heart tonight.
And we have one more.
But who are you?
We're the Grains of Time. Again, we have auditions coming up. Ask us why.
Who are you, random stranger in the audience?
I'm one of the Pachelbel.
Who are the Pachelbels? Okay.